So you mean to tell me all I had to do was fluff out the curls and that's it? So this is ISEE hair, and it's their Burmese Curly Wear and Go wig with a 9x6 lace closure. This wig also comes with ear-shaped tabs that sits directly behind your ear and not on top of it. It does have removable combs, just in case you don't like those. And it does come with an extra drawstring. That way you can have extra security in the back. And the lace space on this is actually pretty big for a wear and go wig. As you guys can see, I'm just putting it on, trying it on. When I first took this wig out the box, the curls were actually way more defined, right? They were cute, but they definitely weren't giving us all this volume yet. I didn't tighten the band or anything yet because I wanted to see how it looked straight out the box. So the only thing that you're going to need to do for this install is literally tint the lace. Nothing more, nothing less. Now I'm going in to adjust the elastic band in the back, and they also have a drawstring. Yes, honey, tighten it up. Tighten till it can't tighten no more. I'm also just going to use a little bit of hairspray, okay? It's not going to stick down. It's still going to be glueless, okay? Just a little bit to blend the line of demarcation into my forehead. And we're just going to do just a little bit of hot combing, not too much. But the real moment with this wig is the curls, okay? Because once I started separating them, the hair just kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, and then I start separating the curls. Take your time, separate the curls at the end. You can leave some raveled, you can leave some unraveled, but the key is just defining the hair using your fingers. You don't need no brush, you don't need no water, you don't need no mousse. Just fluff it out. Put your head down, shake it around, right? And I forgot to tuck that. Make sure y'all tuck that little drawstring in the back because it's gonna be showing, okay? So a little secret, if you want some volume, take a comb. It's like a pig comb, I guess, for like afros. I don't know. Take one of these combs and just fluff it out at the roof. It's going to give, at the root, it's going to give you maximum value. And if you don't have one of those combs, no worries. You can still achieve the same results by going section by section and just finger detangling like this. But anyway, y'all see this wig ain't down, okay? I see hair, I see you. Look at this lace, straight scalp. I literally had to run this back and show you guys up close again of the lace because what knots? Where are the knots? The knots are super duper tiny and undetectable. What lace, okay? Anyway, I can't believe all I had to do was fluff out the curls and I'm ready to walk out the door. I'm not mad at that at all. 10 out of 10, and the direct link to her will be in my description section, okay? So check there. Bye, guys.